I think on a clear day, you don't know where to look, really. Is that a shadow? I put in my Moto earplugs last night because the thunder and the rain was so freaking loud. And now I'm almost burning out of my tent because I have so many layers on because it was 4 degrees. Guys, it cannot be more strange, more strange weather than this. Hey, at least my socks are a bit dry. I had done a laundry, but the dryer did not do its job. Today I'm gonna go to the Garda Lake and I am meeting up with another female motorcycle rider. So stay tuned. I'm gonna get out and hopefully get a dry tent, and I'm gonna take off some layers. Hope this is still good. Is that a myth that it can go bad when it's thundering out? I don't know actually. Well, only one way to find out. But I'm almost done with packing. And what time is it? 9:30. Oh. Not too bad. To Canazei, Pozza di Fassa, Predazzo, Cavallese, and I'm riding over the Passo Mangan, and then I will be heading towards Levico Terme. I'm leaving the mountains behind me for a maybe small week. I don't know yet. It so depends on the weather as well. So I'm now dropping down to Lake Garda, Iseo, Como, but I'm not gonna be only riding around the lakes. I have a few roads planned that are, I don't know if they're really hidden. I think many will definitely know them, but I do think I can surprise you with what the lakes have to offer. So I spent 4 nights on the campsite and it cost me 50 something euros, which
such is a bargain really for what you get. Serena from the reception, you are my hero. God, what a woman. She was so nice. And she was in awe because I'm doing this solo on a bike, and she hikes a lot solo. So she said, I really like what you're doing. And I thought it was so cool. So Serena, thank you so much for making my stay so enjoyable, and I really appreciate it. And I will come back, that's a promise, pinky promise. So I'm gonna take a scenic route, and it's only a little under 2 hours. But yeah, I'm gonna take my time today, just have a chill ride, grab a lunch somewhere, and it's also nice to arrive a bit more early someday.
Operazione in corso. Attendere, prego.
I'll probably be getting some rain by the looks of it. I've seen a lot of Dutch and Belgium cars that are all packed and have like the weirdest things on their roofs, like the most random things, a rocket and just a Panther ski box. There must be some sort of rally going on. Duurt lang. Yeah. There are signs behind you that there is a traffic light coming up. Ah, so we were waiting for something. Oh look, here's another car. What do you have? Hey! Okay, wait, he recognized me. He was like, Leonor! Ik hoor mijn naam, ik denk ik moet even stoppen, ik rij wel even mee. Dit is goed. Gas monkeys? Huh. Okay, this is gonna be fun.
Ja.
Hoi! Dit is echt te random. Ik denk ik ga even terugrijden.
Sander.
Leonor, hoi.
Ja, nou.
Leonor. Nou, wat grappig. Sorry?
Op video.
Echt? Ik zag een hele stoet voorbij komen, dus ik denk, hé, wat is dit joh? Maar wat zijn jullie aan het doen?
Rammelbakkerreis is dat.
Oké.
Auto mag niet 2004 of ouder.
Ja?
En niet meer dan €1500.
Heerlijk. Plaats hier een wielrenner. It says place your bicycle rider here. Especially the fast ones.
Ja, joh, we hebben eentje die doet bellen blazen met badeentjes.
Ja, die kom je ook nog tegen. Ga om dit barrelduik.
Ja, barrelduik.
They even got a siren. Does it work?
Ja, natuurlijk hoor.
Okay, this is gonna be good. Geweldig. Hij is hard ook, hè?
Ja. Kijk hier, waar iedereen reageert, hè?
We talked some more and stood there for a good 10 minutes until the rain caught up. So we went inside the restaurant behind us to grab some lunch. Thanks for the fun talks and the laughter, you guys. Oh man, talk about random, huh? I'm very glad I rode back down. That was such a wholesome moment. I will leave my microphone out because it looks a bit dark up there. They were with 68 cars and 113 people. Imagine all those cars rolling up to the campsite. Oh my god. They showed me some photos and videos. Oh man, I think you get the idea. You know those moments where it's just you, the sound of your bike, and a simple yet beautiful backdrop? Tune in. like 30 minutes to go, but that is till the next stop. So I'm now on Passo Manchen? I don't know how to pronounce it. But I think it should be really nice, but it's quite rainy, so I'll just continue to ride. And from one dark and wet cloud, I rode straight into the next. It was about time to put my rain cover on my backpack. To my surprise, the rainy atmosphere very much added to the scenery I was riding through. I was a bit more careful in my corners due to mud and gravel, but it was still a fun road to ride. The greens got more luscious, the waters were heavily flowing down streams, small waterfalls appeared everywhere, and when the road got more narrow, that's where the real fun began. If only I could see it a bit more clearly. I was riding in and out of the clouds, an eerie but equally thrilling feeling. The small condensation drops on my visor made it pretty hard to focus on the road, so with an open one I continued my way down.
Okay, even though I cannot see much, I think this is a really beautiful pass. The road is perfect, it's super tiny corners, and it gives a whole different vibe riding through the clouds. But yeah, it's very, very nice pass. I think on a clear day, you don't know where to look, really. It's 4 degrees. Oh, I'm pretty cold, but I just want to get to the hotel now.
a beautiful room. I've met Angelica, and she is continuing with work because they are working very, very, very hard to open tomorrow. And they have been rebuilding for almost a year now. And so they are very excited to meet the first guests of the season. I'm just super grateful that she asked me, hey, can I host you, please? She told me that they want to attract bikers as well. Well, I think that should be no problem. Can you imagine riding a whole day and then cooling down in the pool and then have your bike parked in the back in a safe place? And what else do you want, huh? Okay, I'm gonna unpack and then get freshened up. There is a menu for tonight, so I think I will be making use of that. Yeah. So I am now walking to the next hotel, which is also owned by her family, to have a dinner there. I bet it tastes good like all the food in Italy. Cheers. Thank you for having me. Nice.
Very welcome.
So, I already kind of introduced you along the way, but I think it's better if you do it yourself.
Okay, so my name is Angelica. Me and my family, we own a hotel here in Levico. And what else?
Well, she rides bikes. The Tenere is hers.
I ride a bike, yeah.
You have a few routes in the area where you always go to, or?
Yes, I do. Well, my favorites are two of the main ones. They're also very famous for the Giro d'Italia, so bicycle race, road bikes. And that would be like Menador and the Mangen Pass. Yeah,
the one I passed today.
Yeah. And
didn't see much.
Yeah, not much because it was too cloudy, unfortunately.
Yeah.
But that's a good connection from the Dolomites.
So how long have you...
I wanted to ask you about your travels.
I was going to ask you how long have you been riding, but you first.
Yeah. Okay, so how long have I been riding? Since I was little, I've always been into motorbikes.
Nice.
My dad always had one in the garage growing up, so I was feeling very interested in motorbikes. And then finally, at 14, here in Italy, you can get your first motorbike license.
Like the light license.
Yeah, the 50cc.
Yeah.
And I got a motocross bike.
Cool.
So I was riding around Levico and the valley on that. Yes, like I was in Australia working for like 2 years when I was 18, and I came back and I took my big girl motorbike license finally. I'm working on making it more like a very good base for people who like adventuring any kind. Yeah. If it's motorbikes, mountain bikes, hiking, whatever it is, we have really everything, every activity you can do. We're working on that, and hopefully that dream comes true.
How long has this existed before the whole renovation?
These two hotels, actually my grandma built them. In the 70s, yeah.
Wow.
And my family basically has been working here since then.
With the fjords and the snow, and when were you there?
I was there at the end of September of 22.
Okay.
And October. So it was really cold.
Yeah. Okay.
Everyone was coming down from the North Cape and telling me, "Oh no, don't go there! You will not make it. It's so dangerous." And
Really?
even like I was just pumping gas at the gas station, and people they were just stopping by and telling me, "Oh, you're from Italy," and then where are you going? North Cape. And they were, "No, don't! It's so dangerous."
Let's see. This was where I fell.
Oh.
And it was so stupid because I was just standing still and there was these two ruts. And I was like making a video around and I was like, okay, let's go. And then I lost balance. I couldn't feel the ground on my left side and I just tipped over.
And actually, this...
You have more?
No, I have... oh no, this is... oh, here, yeah. Yeah, I was just riding through. Here was the beginning of the mud. And here are two motorcyclists with smaller and better bikes than mine to do off-road.
Yeah.
And I asked them, how is the road?
Okay, so we were talking here for maybe 40, 50 minutes or something.
Yeah.
And I kind of forgot that my memory card could only record 40 minutes. And with all the video that I had already recorded today. So yeah, we're just gonna finish the beers and then make an outro and yeah.
Time to go to bed.
Time to go to bed, yeah. Nice. Let's go to bed.
Yeah.
Yeah.